Question: for the system shown below, SD1 and SD2 are complex power demands at bus 1 and bus 2 respectively. If mod of V2 is equals to 1 per unit, the VAR rating of the capacitor QG2 connected at bus 2 is. System diagram is given here. Complex demands SD1 and SD2 are 1 per unit, and the impedance between bus 1 and bus 2 is Z equals to J 0.5 per unit. Voltage at bus 1 is 1 at an angle of 0 per unit, and the options are A 0.2 per unit, B 0.268 per unit, C 0.312 per unit, D 0.4 per unit. Solution: given system is given here, and let us take the current from bus 1 to bus 2 is I12. Only one generator is there, that is SG1, should supply total demand. And let us take given transmission line between bus 1 and 2 is lossless. Therefore SG1 equals to SD1 plus SD2. This is equals to 2 per unit. Power transferred from bus 1 to bus 2 is 1 per unit, since SD2 equals to 1 per unit. P equals to V1 V2 by X12 sin delta. 1 per unit equals to V1 is 1 at an angle of 0, magnitude is 1, and V2 magnitude given as 1, divided by X12 is 0.5 sin theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 is phase angle of V1, theta 2 is phase angle of V2. We know theta 1 is equals to 0. Therefore 1 equals to 1 into 1 by 0.5 sin of minus theta 2. 0.5 equals to sin minus theta 2. That implies theta 2 equals to minus 30 degrees. So V2 equals to 1 at an angle of minus 30 degrees. I12 will be V1 minus V2 by Z12. This is equals to 1 at an angle of 0 minus 1 at an angle of minus 30 degrees divided by 0.5 at an angle of 90 degrees. This is equals to 1 minus 0.268 J, or 1.03 at an angle of minus 15 degrees. Current in SD2 will be 1 at an angle of minus 30 degrees, since SD2 equals to 1 per unit. Current in QG2 will be 1 at an angle of minus 30 degrees minus 1 minus J into 0.268. This is equals to 0.268 at an angle of minus 120 degrees. The VAR rating of the capacitor QG2 equals to V2 I2 sin angle between V2 and I2. This is equals to 1 into 0.268 into sin minus 30 plus 120 degrees. This equals to 0.268 sine 90. This is equals to 0.268. So the answer is option B, 0.268 per unit.